Meet Anilox Laser, a high-tech Aniloxroll cleaning system which cleans Aniloxrolls and sleeves in the most gentle way without any damage to the ceramic surface or cell structure, developed by experienced Aniloxroll experts. We now want to show you how a complete cleaning cycle works. We start with a 3D volume measurement reading from the Aniloxroll before cleaning. The Anilox sleeve is easy mountable with the pneumatic foot pedal. Now we are ready to start the cleaning process. You select the roll in the roll database and the desired cleaning program. Push the start button and the machine will start the cleaning process. First, the diameter of the TIR will be measured. When all the parameters are OK, then the laser will start the cleaning cycle. The cleaning process will take between 10 to 60 minutes depending on contamination level and chosen program. Key benefits: Anilox laser uses the newest technology MOPA laser with adjustable pulse frequency and pulse time. Parameters are controlled for the most gentle cleaning result without any damages. For Aniloxrolls and sleeves, automatic follow focus system for reproducible results, temperature control on electrics and optics, autofocus and auto-TIR adjustments, automatic program for light, medium and high contaminated rolls with LED indicator for progress, high-end filter system, machine controllable from distance, LED bar indicates status of machine, automatic laser source cleaning, optional 5-year warranty also on laser source, safest laser in the market, no additives needed and no waste. Available in different sizes for label, flexible packaging, offset, coating and corrugated industry and inline cleaning. Low-cost monthly payments possible.